22,000 feet above sea level. Weather in Kuala Lumpur reported fine, with a temperature of 28 degrees. Expected to arrive 40 minutes past 10 in the evening. Once again, thank you for flying with us. Have a good day in Kuala Lumpur.
Hello, I've landed in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia from Perth, Australia. It is at the moment 11 p.m. at night, so now I'm heading my way to the luggage section to reclaim my luggage. This is what the airport looks like. This is Kuala Lumpur International Airport. On the left is the Kedai Gunting Rambut. So this is where you get your haircut. It's the barber. In this video, we're going to continue from here till the next day and a tour around some of the places in Kuala Lumpur. I did not have much time here in Kuala Lumpur, so there are not many places that I visited before I travel back to Miri. Even though the airport is late at this point of time, it is quite well lit up, so lots of light here, and you will feel quite high class as you walk around the airport. There are still some passengers walking by. After getting our luggage, it was time to wait here at the waiting area for the Grab car to go to Kuala Lumpur city and stay for a night at Pudu area. It usually takes around 1 hour to reach from the airport to the city area. So it will cost around roughly ringgit Malaysia around 50 to 70. This is the view from the Grab car as we are heading to Kuala Lumpur city area. We reach our hotel. This is Ding Dong Hotel somewhere in Pudu. It's quite a convenient place to walk to, but not at night because when I look out the window at night, it's quite dark. The hotel is quite clean and comfortable, so it's good. This is the view from the hotel during the day. So it is morning, and now I'm going to head out to get some food. And nearby here is the Pudu ICC area. Alright, let's go on a short tour inside the ICC Pudu area where you can find lots of food to eat. The atmosphere here is quite vibrant, lots of people in the morning, quite busy. The first thing that I'm going to get is a cup of coffee, so still searching for that famous coffee shop somewhere here. The first thing I got was this Lintang clay pot coffee. This nasi lemak stall is quite highly rated based on review. You can add this on in the nasi lemak stall. This is what I got for myself. It's quite delicious, the curry chicken. Kway teow, this is quite good. It's called a char kway teow. One of the things to take note is that this food court doesn't serve halal food. It's mostly Chinese cuisine. After getting our food, we took a grab car and reached here at Tun Razak Exchange. It is a new finance and business skyscraper. But at the ground floor are some of the high-end retail stores. This place just looks so stunning, well-made and premium. Some of the photos I took here while outside of the building. It is quite stunning. After visiting TRX Exchange, now I'm here at the Kuala Lumpur city area. One of the places I'm looking for is KKV. It is a place where you can get lots of blind boxes. If you're interested in blind boxes, this is a place that you can visit. Okay, this is what KKV looks like, and I'm excited to enter KKV.
大家当现在很开心，可以去 KKV 我在那边拍照片。
看到我吗？
There's this display area where they showcase lots of ramens and noodles here, lots of instant noodles. I think it's on the 3rd floor if you are interested in noodles.
这是面的墙壁，很多种类面。哇，这个什么面都有，感到很开心，看到面，喜欢吃面。This one good, Nissin noodle. 你下去了？哦。
After visiting KKV and some other blind box shops, Now I'm here at Pavilion Bukit Jalil and also still searching for other blind boxes as well as just walking around here before heading to the airport. There is this area, it is called Tokyo Town, and there are two sumos here, and it is a good place to take photos with. Alright, now we are going to end the video very soon. Thank you for watching. And this is a short tour around Kuala Lumpur in